10 best foods high in isoleucine. Isoleucine is a crucial branched-chain amino acid that aids in muscle repair, energy production, and immune health. Including isoleucine-rich foods in your diet supports overall well-being and helps the body recover from physical activity. Here are 10 of the best foods high in isoleucine. 1. Eggs. A single egg contains about 1 gram of isoleucine, along with essential proteins and nutrients. They're versatile and easy to prepare. 2. Chicken breast. Cooked chicken breast provides approximately 1.2 grams of isoleucine per 100 grams. It's low in fat and ideal for muscle building. 3. Lentils. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains about 1.3 grams of isoleucine. They're rich in fiber, iron, and plant-based protein. 4. Tuna. Tuna offers around 1.6 grams of isoleucine per 100 grams, along with heart-healthy omega-3 fats. 5. Almonds. A 100-gram serving of almonds contains 1 gram of isoleucine. They're a nutritious snack packed with healthy fats and vitamin E. 6. Quinoa. Quinoa provides 1.1 grams of isoleucine per cooked cup. It's a complete protein and naturally gluten-free. 7. Greek yogurt. A 200-gram serving of Greek yogurt delivers about 1.2 grams of isoleucine and probiotics for gut health. 8. Soybeans. Cooked soybeans contain 2.3 grams of isoleucine per cup. Tofu and tempeh are also excellent choices. 9. Beef. Lean beef offers about 1.8 grams of isoleucine per 100 grams, along with iron and vitamin B12. 10. Pumpkin seeds. A 100-gram serving of pumpkin seeds contains 1.1 grams of isoleucine and plenty of antioxidants. Adding these foods to your meals ensures a balanced diet and optimal health benefits. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.